Welcome to our AutoCAD tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you on how to draw a spline in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Open a new or existing drawing in AutoCAD. Make sure you have the drawing area ready. Access the Draw panel. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click on the Draw button. This will display a list of drawing commands. Select the Spline command. Either click on the Spline icon in the Draw panel or type Spline in the command line and press Enter. Specify the control points of the spline. You can either use your cursor to select points on the drawing area or enter the coordinates manually. Each point you specify will affect the shape of the spline. Adjust the spline if needed. After specifying the control points, you can use the handles to modify the shape of the spline further. Click and drag the handles to create smooth curves or straighten the spline as desired. Once you are satisfied with the shape of the spline, press Enter to complete the spline. AutoCAD will draw the spline on the screen based on the control points you specified. Repeat these steps whenever you want to draw additional splines in your AutoCAD drawing. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to draw splines in AutoCAD. Practice drawing splines of different shapes and experiment with different control points to enhance your skills. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!